Imagine a place in the universe where the laws of physics break down, where time itself slows to a crawl and matter is crushed into a point smaller than a pinhead. This is the reality of black holes, cosmic monsters so dense and mysterious that not even light can escape them. But what if I told you that black holes might not just be the end of matter, but a beginning? For decades, NASA and scientists across the globe have peered into the dark heart of the cosmos, searching for clues about what really lies inside a black hole. Their findings? Strange gravitational echoes, unexplained bursts of energy, and something so bizarre it defies everything we thought we knew. When we look into a black hole, are we staring into a void or into another universe? Let's go back to the basics. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, compressing all of its mass into an infinitely small point called a singularity. Around this point lies the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing returns. But the real mystery lies past that boundary. According to Einstein's general relativity, the singularity should be infinitely dense, with no volume and infinite gravity. But here's the twist. Quantum physics says that can't be possible. Something has to give. And that's where the mystery begins. In recent years, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the James Webb Space Telescope have picked up bizarre readings from the regions around black holes, energetic flares with no known source, and flickers of information that suggest something is happening inside. Scientists theorize that black holes might not destroy information at all, but rather store it in ways we can't comprehend. Some even suggest that black holes might be gateways, wormholes to other dimensions. Think about that. Not just a cosmic trash bin, but a passage to another universe, with its own galaxies, stars, and even life. One theory gaining traction is called the holographic principle. It proposes that everything inside a black hole is somehow encoded on its surface, like a 3D image projected from a 2D surface. That means black holes could be like cosmic hard drives, storing the blueprint of everything they consume. Then there's the mind-bending idea of white holes, the theoretical opposites of black holes, which instead of pulling matter in, spew it out. Could what enters a black hole in our universe emerge from a white hole in another? If so, black holes may not be ends, but bridges between worlds. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole in the galaxy M87. It stunned the world. But what shocked scientists more were the magnetic fields around it, more structured than expected, possibly hinting at unknown forces at play. And in 2022, an even more mind-blowing discovery. Black holes may actually leak information. According to new studies in quantum gravity, black holes aren't as sealed as we thought. Tiny amounts of radiation, known as Hawking radiation, might carry information about what's inside. If that's true, it changes everything. It means black holes don't erase information, they encode it in their radiation. That could solve the information paradox that has puzzled physicists for decades. But it raises a darker question. If black holes store data, could they also release it? And what if they already have? Some unexplained cosmic radio signals, like fast radio bursts, have been linked to regions around black holes. Are they just natural phenomena, or could they be echoes of something deeper? Something trying to communicate? Even wilder theories suggest that our entire universe might be inside a black hole. That's right. If black holes can birth new universes, it's possible that the Big Bang was just the output of a black hole in another reality. In that sense, the universe becomes a multiverse, an endless chain of realities birthed by collapsing stars. But how close are we to proving it? The truth is, black holes are still largely theoretical. We can observe their effects, stars orbiting an invisible center, light bending around nothing, but we can't see inside. The immense gravity distorts everything. It's like trying to understand the inside of a locked vault by watching the dust outside. NASA and ESA are now planning more advanced missions to probe the boundaries of black holes. Spacecraft with sensitive gravitational wave detectors, like LISA, could help us listen to the ripples black holes create when they collide. These ripples might carry encoded clues about their internal structure. But for now, what lies inside remains unknown and terrifying. Is it a sea of energy? a mirror universe, a quantum storm frozen in time, or perhaps something our minds can't even imagine, something older than the universe itself. Whatever it is, one thing is certain. Black holes are not just cosmic garbage disposals. They are keys, portals, engines of creation and destruction that defy our understanding. The deeper we look, the more impossible things become. And perhaps that's the point. Maybe the universe built black holes not to destroy, but to challenge us, to push our minds beyond the limits of space and time. And as we continue to decode their secrets, we might find that the truth is more incredible than fiction. So the next time you stare into the night sky, remember, there's a place out there where time stands still, where the rules of reality are rewritten, and where just maybe the answer to everything is hidden behind the veil of darkness.